This series of videos provides an overview of the different mount options and the preliminary installation steps. This video overviews the surface mount option. A generic camera is depicted to show the installation steps. Installation may vary from camera to camera. We recommend reviewing the specific installation guide for the camera being installed. The surface mount is a versatile mounting option that can mount the camera to a wall or ceiling. The surface mount is an ideal solution on surfaces easily drilled into and when the cable should be kept out of sight. In most Avigilon camera packages, the surface mount adapter is provided. The package usually includes the camera, a surface mounting template sticker, a solid wall accessory kit, the surface mount adapter, a star-shaped screwdriver, a 3-hole or single-hole rubber grommet, and an RJ45 grommet piercing cap. Depending on the camera, the package may also include a power terminal block, a conduit shroud for side entry conduit cabling, or a mounting plate adapter for electrical box installations. Ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a small slotted screwdriver, a drill with the appropriate drill bits, a wire cutter, and silicone sealant. These tools are not included in the package. Let's overview the surface adapter of the H6 mini dome camera in this example. Shown here are the camera attachment slots. These are the slots that the camera housing clips are inserted into to attach the camera body to the surface mounting adapter. Located here are the logo guides. These guides indicate the direction the logos will face once the installation is complete. Highlighted here is the cable entry hole. Any required cables for camera operation will be pulled through here. Next, the mounting holes are shown here. These are the screw holes for mounting the surface mounting adapter to the ceiling or wall. Some cameras may have bezel attachment clips, which clip to hold the bezel in place. Let's look at the surface adapter for the H6 SL dome camera. This camera has a lanyard that connects to the lanyard anchor on the camera base. There is also a side cable entry cover for use in specific installations. The next segment overviews the steps to install a surface mount adapter. The H6 SL dome camera will be used as an example. First, use the provided mounting template to drill the required mounting holes into the surface. Next, drill the cable entry hole. Pull the required cables through the cable entry hole. Use the provided anchors and drive the mounting screws to fasten the mounting adapter to the wall or ceiling. A conduit pipe is used for mounting surfaces that cannot be easily cut, or when cables must be brought along the outside of the mounting surface. If the surface adapter will be mounted to a surface with the required cable coming out of an external conduit pipe, use the following steps. First, ensure the mounting template is aligned to where the conduit will enter the mounting adapter. Next, use the mounting template to drill the mounting holes into the mounting surface. The side cable cover off of the mounting adapter. Depending on the conduit used, adjustments may be required prior to use. Install the appropriate conduit. See the installation guide for further information on this topic. Pull the required cables through the conduit. Drive the mounting screws to fasten the mounting adapter to the ceiling or wall. That completes the installation of a surface mount adapter to a surface. Consult the appropriate training video or installation guide to complete the camera installation. More mount options are overviewed in this series of videos.